President Joe Biden responds to the newly identified COVID-19 variant, Omicron. He says it is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic. Still, he urges people to get vaccinated. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
As the world learns more about Omicron and its potential danger, President Biden tonight is urging Americans to get their booster shots. This as he implements new travel bans.
In a scene repeated time and again in his first year in office, President Joe Biden implores Americans to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
The best protection, I know you're tired of hearing me say this, the best protection against this new variant or any of the variants out there, the ones we've been dealing with already, is getting fully vaccinated.
With the Delta variant still doing damage, now enter Omicron, identified just days ago in South Africa.
I want to reiterate, Dr. Fauci believes that the current vaccines provide at least some protection against the new variant, and the boosters strengthen that protection significantly.
The president added,
"We do not yet believe that additional measures will be needed."
Now nations trying to keep Omicron at bay, installing travel bans. The U.S. is restricting visitors from more than a half dozen countries, including Botswana, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. Meanwhile, in Vienna, Austria, efforts to keep Iran from getting a nuclear bomb. Negotiators from Iran, Russia, China, France, Germany, and Britain all meeting together.
Under President Donald Trump, the U.S. pulled out of the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, which he called horrible and one-sided. And right now, the U.S. is not directly involved in the negotiations taking place in Vienna.
Iran wants sanctions lifted. For now, it's enriching small amounts of uranium, but claims its atomic program is peaceful. And in the White House press briefing room today,
our objective has not changed. It remains a mutual return to full compliance with the JCPOA. This is the best available option to restrict Iran's nuclear program and provide a platform to address Iran's destabilizing conduct.
Also tonight, as the Christmas season gets underway, President Biden met with various CEOs today, including from Walmart and from Food Line, and he told them later this week he's going to lay out a detailed strategy to fight the new variant that does not include any lockdowns or shutdowns. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.